Introducing Diploma in Airport Operations, a specialized course by Sqilah. This program covers how modern airports function, from infrastructure and passenger processes to airside operations and collaborative decision-making. It includes 5 focused e-learning courses: Certified in Airport Foundation, Certified Airport Operations Professional, Certified in Airport Slot Management, Certified Airport Ramp Agent, Certified in Airport Lounge Operations. You will understand landside and airside operations, terminal management, ramp activities, safety systems, slot allocation, and lounge service operations. This diploma opens multiple entry-level and coordination roles across airports, airlines, and ground handling organizations. This diploma opens multiple entry-level and coordination roles across airports, airlines, and ground handling organizations. Enhance your career with industry-standard courses in aviation, logistics, hospitality, healthcare, and travel and tourism. Enroll now at Sqilah.co.